We could start with moving to Las Vegas in 1989, starting my career as a gourmet food server. Working on my feet 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week has definitely wear and tear. Before that, of course, sports, playing 20 years of soccer. So gradually having knee problems, had a ski accident. So between 1990 and year 2000, I had a knee doctor that would repair my ACL, do cartilage work, several operations on both knees, and that was just Band-Aid work. And eventually I asked about a knee replacement, and he told me I was too young, at which age I was probably 42, 43. And so someone recommended to go get a second opinion. And Dr. Crovetti's name came up from a coworker of mine. And I made an immediate appointment, took x-rays on both knees, and Dr. Crovetti came in the office and told me two of the worst knees he's seen bone on bone in his whole career. So he basically looked me in the eye and said, "When do you want to get them done? And which one would you like to do first?" basically. And I made an appointment and had it done, and it's been a lifesaver for me. And 2 years later, I had this one done 5 weeks ago, currently in physical therapy, going through the rigors and the wear and tear of that, but knowing that the good pain is going to be no pain after two months, 2.5 months. Very excited to get back to work with no pain at all in both knees. And it's just been a fantastic experience. Through the surgery center, everyone is hands-on, very, very carefully watching over you. Even when you get home from the surgery center, they come to your house a couple times a week. It's just fantastic, and it's changed my life. Absolutely.